In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a wooden floor inside of Autodesk Maya that looks a little something like this. Alright, so this shot is pretty cool, and there are a couple of things going on here to create this illusion. And I want to share with you all of those things. We've got some lighting going on, we've got some cool little camera animation, we've got some texturing, of course, and yes, we've even got some cinematic, scary music. So if this is something that you want to learn how to do inside of Autodesk Maya, I will show you step by step. Down below, you can click the link in the description. I will give you the techniques that I use to create the results that you see on the screen.